Ta and Tha. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. In the previous lessons, we have covered 15 letters different forms. Today, with 2 more letters different forms, Ta and Tha. Both have same forms, and the only difference in the dot. Let's see letter Ta, different 4 forms. This is the isolated form of Ta as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write it in the beginning of a word, start with the shape of Ta as it is and add the connecting line after because it needs to be connected to another letter after. The middle form of Ta allows to connect before and after, so it will be like the beginning form, but draw a connecting straight line before it to help any letter to get connected. The final form of Ta, just draw a short line before it and attach it with Ta shape as isolated form. This short line will help any letter before it to get connected. If you understand well letter Ta different forms, it will be easy for you to know also Tha because has same forms. Let's see letter Tha, 4 forms. We know the isolated form of Tha as we studied in level 1. If Tha in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Ta, but with a dot on top, allowing to connect any letter after. If Tha in the middle of a word, it will be also same as Ta with a dot on top, allowing to connect any letter after and before. And if Tha at the end of a word, it will be same way of Ta, allowing to connect any letter before. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we will mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Ha and Tha. Let's connect these 2 letters. If Ha in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Tha, final form, can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Hadh. Hadh means luck, another word. Sheen, Ta, Ba. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will see the relation between Sheen and Ta. If Sheen in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after, and letter Ta in the middle, allowing to connect any letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Ta and Ba. Ta in the middle, allowing to connect any letter after, and Ba at the end, allowing to connect any letter before. So all will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Shatab. Shatab means delete or cross off, another word. Dad, Ba, Ta. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will check the relation between Dad and Ba. If bod in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And if ba in the middle, it can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. Second, we'll check the relation between ba and ta. Ba in the middle, allowing to connect any letter after. And ta, final form, can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. ضبط. ضبط means adjust. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and you try to connect them. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. Jim, ha, ظا. Try to connect these three letters to form a word. Kha, ta, ta. Try to connect these three letters to form one more word. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.